Hey, just a quick video on adjusting a headlight on a 650 V-Star. This is one of my friend's bikes that I'm working on, and I noticed the headlight was dangerously low. So it's really easy to adjust. There's a screw here and there's a screw here, and if you notice it's low, you just turn both of them like you're tightening them, and that pulls the headlight out and up. If it's too high, you can you're loosening these, and that will push the headlight back. And then if you need to change it towards the center of the road or away from the center of the road, you can just do one or the other, and then it will pitch it left and right. So it's just those two little screws. You can see they've got springs inside here to keep the headlight from vibrating too badly, but yeah, that's just those two screws. Make sure you turn them the same amount if you're trying to raise or lower your headlight. But that's just your quick little tip for the day. So thank you for watching.